Hi everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic, a complete guide to supporting your elderly parents' health and well-being. Maintaining good health for elderly parents. A holistic approach that includes physical, emotional, and social well-being. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to help your elderly parents maintain good health. Physical health. 1. Regular medical checkups. Schedule routine health checkups, including vision, hearing, dental, and general health screenings. Monitor chronic conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, and arthritis. 2. Balanced diet. Ensure they have a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Encourage hydration by drinking plenty of water. Address any dietary restrictions or special nutritional needs with the help of a dietitian. 3. Regular exercise. Encourage low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or Tai Chi to maintain mobility and cardiovascular health. Strength training exercises can help maintain muscle mass and bone density. Incorporate balance and flexibility exercises to prevent falls. 4. Medication management. Help them organize and manage their medications to ensure they are taken correctly and on time. Regularly review medications with their healthcare provider to avoid potential drug interactions. Mental and emotional health. 1. Mental stimulation. Encourage activities that stimulate the brain, such as reading, puzzles, or learning new skills. Promote hobbies and interests that keep them engaged and happy. 2. Emotional support. Spend quality time with them to reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation. Encourage social interactions with friends, family, or community groups. Consider professional counseling or therapy if they experience anxiety, depression, or other mental health issues. 3. Cognitive health. Engage them in conversations and activities that challenge their thinking and memory. Promote healthy sleep patterns to improve cognitive function. Safety. 1. Fall prevention. Make their living environment safe by removing tripping hazards, installing grab bars in bathrooms, and ensuring good lighting. Encourage the use of assistive devices if needed, such as canes or walkers. 2. Emergency preparedness. Ensure they have easy access to emergency contact numbers and medical information. Consider medical alert systems for immediate assistance in case of emergencies. Social and community engagement. 1. Social activities. Encourage participation in social events, clubs, or community centers to maintain social connections. Support their involvement in volunteering or other meaningful activities. 2. Family engagement. Foster regular family gatherings and interactions. Encourage visits from grandchildren and other family members to maintain strong family bonds. Practical support. 1. Daily living assistance. Help with daily activities such as cooking, cleaning, shopping, and personal care if needed. Arrange for professional caregivers or home health aides if more intensive support is required. 2. Financial and legal planning. Assist with managing finances, paying bills, and understanding health insurance or benefits. Ensure they have important legal documents in place, such as a will, power of attorney, and healthcare directives. Lifestyle modifications. 1. Healthy habits. Encourage quitting smoking and limiting alcohol consumption. Promote regular physical activity and a balanced diet. 2. Stress management. Introduce relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or gentle yoga. Technology use. 1. Staying connected. Teach them how to use technology to stay in touch with family and friends through video calls, social media, or messaging apps. Show them how to access online resources for health information, hobbies, and interests. Additional resources. 1. Community resources. Utilize community resources such senior centers, adult day care, and meal delivery services. Explore transportation options for seniors if they can no longer drive. 2. Support groups encourage participation in support groups for seniors to share experiences and gain emotional support. By taking a comprehensive approach that addresses physical, mental, emotional, and social well-being, you can help your elderly parents maintain good health and a high quality of life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.